Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my first advent calendar unboxing of the season. I don't know when you guys are seeing this. It might be the first, it might be the second of the holiday gift guide series. Not sure, but it is the MCO Beauty Collectible Beauty Surprises, so otherwise known as an advent calendar. I purchased this one myself and I'm very curious to try this brand. I've seen a lot about it on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. So if you're curious to see what's in this box and perhaps see some of these products in action, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is what it looks like. On the back, it does give you the items, the ingredients, all of that. It says, MCO Beauty Mini Icons Collectible Beauty Surprises contain 12 miniature makeup products. This set makes a gorgeous gift for beauty-loving friends, or save it for yourself to experience MCO Beauty products you love or might not have tried before. The adorable minis hidden inside this set are the perfect size for packing in your handbag or travel kit. So this one has a magnetic closure on the side. There's like a little flap, and then it opens up like a door, and inside you have all of the various different days, and they are numbered, and I don't think I'll be able to open it this way because things will be falling down, but I will definitely show you as I'm opening them. So day one, and on the back it does kind of give away what's inside, so I'm not going to look at the back. I'm just going to open them here. You can either open it like a box, or it does have a little perforation if you want to like rip into it. This is the Extend Lash Mascara. Looks like this. And I know a lot of their products are like inspired by other products. I can't say a dupe per se, but inspired by other products. This one, I'm not sure what it's inspired by, but I'm curious. Day two is one of the little guys at the top. And this one is very tiny. Empty? Don't tell me it's empty. A little tiny puff, which I will use, but just very, very tiny. Day three. Trying not to look at the name. Feels like maybe a mascara or a brow product. This is the Hair and Brow Magic Wand. What does it say about this one? Bye bye pesky flyaways. Okay, so like to tame flyaway hairs. Day four is like a little square one. These are like super, super mini, my goodness. This is the Miracle Flawless Pressed Powder in Translucent. I used to have a Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder sample that was this size. So tiny, like so tiny, guys. Miniature. Not just tiny, miniature. 5 is another arched one from the top. Ooh. MCO Beauty Cheek and Lip Tint in Dusk. This looks a lot like the, is it the Glossier Cloud Paint or something Cloud Paint? I have 2 of them that I got in a holiday set and I really like them. So I'm curious to try this one. Day 6. Oh, cute. MCO Beauty Super Glow Golden Drops. Any guesses what this one's inspired by? I'm definitely guessing the Drunk Elephant. I forget what they're called. Glow Drops, Sunshine Drops, and then I think Elf has come out with one. Sephora has one. These are nice. Well, the ones it's inspired by are nice. I haven't tried these. 7. Feels squishy. A little squishy makeup sponge. 8. Now we're getting to some big ones at the bottom, the big rectangular guys. Hopefully these are like larger sized products because some of these are pretty minuscule. This feels promising. Ooh, Miracle Flawless Setting Spray. Anyone seeing the resemblance to another very popular setting spray? Okay, I'm excited to try this. 9 is another large rectangular box with a seemingly very small product inside. Peptide Lip Treatment in Buttercream. More than just a gloss, it's a glaze of juicy peptides. Okay, curiouser and curiouser. 10 is our third large rectangular box. Ooh, another big product. Their grip primer. I have not tried the Milk grip primer or the Elf grip primer. I think the only gripping primer I've tried is by Dermalogica? No. Derm Store? Derm something. I'll have to look in my collection. I think I still have it. I've only ever tried one gripping primer, so I will be very curious to see what I think of this one. Perhaps after this holiday series is over, I will do a dedicated video to just trying MCO Beauty products, since it seems like I have a good little assortment here. That was 10. The last large rectangular box, day 11. And it's super tiny. A little lip liner. This is the Perfect Pout Lip Liner in Cheeky Chat. Very tiny. But these are a fraction of the price of the products that they are inspired by. So if these are as good as the originals, I wouldn't mind buying these twice over just to equal one of the others. Don't know. But the final product, day 12. What don't we have yet? A lipstick? A bronzer? Can't even get this one out. It's square. Soap? Ah, here we go. The Super Glow Bronzing Drops. That's what we were missing. So another inspired by likely the Drunk Elephant Do Bronzy Drops. So we have Glow Drops and Bronzing Drops. Gripping Primer. Setting spray, lip glaze, lip treatment, 2 little application products, a lip and cheek color, a lip liner, an itty bitty little powder, a mascara, and a hair and brow wand. So I guess you can tame flyaways on your head or tame your brows, either one. So I think this is a good little assortment, and I think I paid like $25, $29 for this. I feel like that was a good deal. I'm curious to try all of these. Like I said, I've never tried anything by this brand, so this was a way for me to like try an assortment of things for a really good price. So I'm quite happy with this. I do think this advent calendar is still for sale on their site. And just a heads up, after I placed my purchase, I received an offer for free shipping. So just a heads up, they will send you offers if you're shopping with them. So maybe wait for a Black Friday sale, or maybe wait for like a sale day to come up to maybe get a discount or free shipping. But all in all, quite impressed with this, very happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the MCO Beauty Advent Calendar unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.